Show. HMI Buzz Morning Show. HMI Buzz Morning Show. HMI Buzz Morning Show.
HMI Buzz Morning Show. Every morning we're gonna tell you. We're gonna show you something every morning.
it's gonna be real deal.
Hey,
the
we're
real
gonna
life.
try to show you something every morning. I can't promise.
Yeah, niggas gotta go to work and get money and shit.
Bring you
We
some
do have
every
jobs,
morning.
people. We
It's
do
your
have
morning buzz gonna come to you. You know what I mean?
Man, show on the show. That's go to the
HMI
website.
Buzz Morning Show.
HMI Buzz Morning Show. You know I don't rap. I don't write nothing down. Well, we gonna keep it real, people.
Yeah,
you know what it
day,
is. All day. That's what the show is about.
Yeah.
The realest. You know what I mean? Put on the topics. What y'all want to talk about? People got rent to pay on the 1st.
Listen,
tomorrow
man,
the
listen.
1st.
Oh, what today's date? The 1st?
Tomorrow's the 1st.
Tomorrow's the 1st. Wow.
Rent got to do.
Rent is due.
Rent is due.
Everybody,
Let's talk about
that's like rent.
Mortgage.
That's probably the most you have to pay that
that.
month, right?
A car payment on the biz.
Yeah. Oh man, it's like so. Oh man, the bills are due.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So, what? Everybody have bills, right?
All day.
We all have bills. Everybody have bills. Everybody have a lifestyle. If they want to keep or they live or whatever, everybody has bills. So we got to pay our bills. Everybody has to work. Wow. Everybody has to work. How much my time is worth? How much my time is worth? How much my 1 hour is worth? $10?
That's what they say.
$15? $20?
Some people getting paid less than that.
$50?
Not 50.
So you
$8.
trying to put value on your time, and you trying to put value in your time, then you start getting paid for your time. So the minute you decide to start getting paid for your time, you start really putting yourself in position to own your time. Own your time, do everything on your time. You know what I mean? You have not tapped into that, whatever that's gonna help you to reach freedom. You know what I mean? So that's the morning show right now. That's the topic. So you go ahead and discuss that topic. You know what I mean? And give me your comment, share this video. So, tell us how to get this show better. How to make it better.
Get this show off the ground?
What do you want to see? I need a cameraman. You know what I mean? What's gonna be my camera? So we could have a real production. Because we're doing this with our
iPad. Nigga, iPad thanks to Apple.
Hey, we're gonna use what we have right now.
You feel me? iPhone game. That's what we got. We ain't got no real camera with high def.
Alright, man, let's
get
go.
it real.